Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing your tools. Open Roblox Studio, enable HTTP service, and confirm beta features are on if required. Next, obtain an AI API key from your provider and store it in a secure module script. Do this now so you can call endpoints without interruption. Once done, add a lightweight JSON parser and an HTTP wrapper in your project. These will handle requests and responses. Make sure to set proper rate limits and never hard-code keys in client-side scripts. You now implement server-side logic. Create a dedicated module in Server Script Service to proxy all AI calls so clients stay safe. Construct request payloads with a clear prompt, temperature, and length or max tokens parameters. This shapes output quality. Then, implement asynchronous handling with timeouts and retries, and inspect HTTP status codes to branch on success or failure. Once responses arrive, sanitize and validate content before forwarding to clients to prevent injection or malformed data issues. You finish by wiring AI outputs into gameplay. Hook server responses into UI, NPC dialogue, or procedural content systems so players see results in real time. Test extensively with edge case prompts and measure latency and token usage to optimize cost and speed. If things go wrong, inspect logs, confirm API quotas, and validate JSON formatting. Often errors come from rate limits or malformed payloads. Finally, iterate prompt design and caching strategies to reduce call.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.